Hey guys, welcome to Joe's Challenge. Okay, today for my challenge I am replacing a new washer from the kitchen sink strainer basket. Okay, now these strainer baskets here, get a new one, you're looking at around $9 or $10. But for a washer, just like this in a pack here, you can replace them, what, $3? So I am going to show you actually how to take it off and replace it with a new one. Okay, here we go. Anyway, so just one hand over here on the top where you pull, the other one holds it down the bottom here and loosen it off. Yeah, just make sure we don't lose it. Let me just grab this. You should put something here to stop it. So basically, that's your washer. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that, and I'll put the new one in here. I'll just get something to hold it and loosen it up a bit. Okay, so you go to heaps of them anyway. So yep, there you go. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. So basically putting a new one in here, getting the nut to go through the threads, yeah, and then screw this one back in, and hopefully that works. Let's get it tight, and we'll check it out now. There you go, guys. All done. Thank you for watching my show. Thumbs up. And if you have any comments, please leave it down there. Thank you. Bye.